This just, this look just isn't scary enough for me. Pablo, if we got robbed, do you reckon people are going to be scared of you? Look at you. You're just not scary enough. Wait there, I've got an idea. I've got an idea. Wait there. Yes. Now, now that's scary. Yes, that is. Do you feel scary? Do you feel scary? You do. Yeah, you look. Oh, you look terrifying, bro. Now that's scary. That's what we want. No one's breaking in with this. Look at that. Terrifying. Yeah, raw. Give him a raw. Oh God, you're a dope. You know that. Don't look at me like that. That's much better. Now that is scary. That's proper scary, mate.